Hey there, fellow science enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something that's not just cool, it's photon-tastic. Yeah, you heard me right. There's a revolutionary device on the block that's amping up the power of photon emission like never before. So, let's beam ourselves into the heart of this photon phenomenon. Now imagine a world where your internet is faster than you can blink, medical scans are clearer than a sunny day, and quantum computers are, well, less quantumly confusing. Sounds like a dream, right? Enter this jaw-dropping new device that's making all these fantasies a potential reality. It's like the Swiss Army knife for photons, precise, efficient, and unbelievably cool. Here's the techie bit. This gadget isn't just any light show. It's a culmination of some serious brainpower and cutting-edge engineering. It controls photon emissions with such finesse, it could potentially turbocharge sectors like telecommunications, quantum computing, and even medical imaging. Yes, that means clearer pictures of your insides without the extra radiation. Talk about a bright idea. Let's throw some numbers into the mix, because why not? The quantum computing market is mushrooming from $500 million in 2022 to an eye-watering $1.76 billion by 2027. And that's not all. The telecommunications sector is also riding this photonic wave, expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 5.4% from 2023 to 2028. These aren't just numbers, they're dollar-sign proof that photons are the new black. But wait, there's more. Beyond the obvious bling of immediate applications, this device is sketching out the blueprint for tomorrow's innovations. Think environmental monitoring with pinpoint accuracy, or peeling back new layers of the quantum universe. This isn't just a gadget, it's a gateway to the future of technology. And speaking of the future, as this device gets integrated into everyday tech, its impact will stretch far and wide, turning science fiction into science fact. It's like giving a turbo boost to the entire field of photonics, ensuring that the next chapter of our technological story is bright, literally. So, there you have it. A device that's not just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules of photonics. And as for us, we can't wait to see where this beam of innovation takes us next. Until then, keep those photons firing and your curiosity higher. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and illuminate that notification bell so you don't miss any photon-tastic updates from us. Catch you on the brighter side of science.